Hi guys, Karolves here, and this is two MOCs, very simple ones, from the Dreamworks films and series, from How to Train Your Dragon, from in particular from the second episode. And this is the Hiccup and the Astrid, the main characters of this movie. And I designed them in the scale called Miniland. They are 11 bricks high, and I think this is a very funny looking scale for buildings. A very easy one, and the figure looks really appropriate, really similar to normal persons. They are in the outfit from the second movie, as I said. Hiccup has his flying suit and his flame dragon sword. He has also this mask in his arm, in his hand. This is his mask that he wear when he fly alone without the dragon. And you technically can put this mask on his head. But I didn't done it yet. I don't want just destroying whole head and giving him this mask. And he has this plate underneath his feet because he has one leg and he don't stand alone. He needs this plate to stay. He has his flying suit, as I said, with this red dot right there, which represents his the Dragon Academy symbol. He has some details on his arm also, and at the back he has this flying tail or something like this. I don't know what it was. Some kind of wingtip on his back. This head can be rotated side to side. This arm can be moved in this two direction, and this one can be also moved into points, but into other points. Oh, sorry, it broke down. But you can move his arm, like you can see. And on his arm he has also the knife. And the Astrid, the second character from this, the second main character from this movie, she's also designed at the same scale. She has this fur hood on her back. He has this short skirt. Some silver armor details on her chest, this long ponytail. The head also can be turned side by side a little bit. Arm can be rotated up and down, and she has this axe, her weapon of choice. And she also had this little band on her upper section of her head. This is the standard rubber band. So, this is all about these two models. If you want these models on your own, please visit my Rebecca page, where should be the instruction for those models. And I probably make rest of the gang, the Snodlow, the Fishleg, and Twins, to complete the whole story. And I probably also make other version of them from the first movie and from the TV series, and when the third movie came out. I also probably made the third movie version of them also, to have whole collection. If you like this video, you can subscribe, share, leave a like. If you have some question to me, please ask me in the comment section down below. And if you want more information, please visit my Facebook site or Flickr page to see more photos or anything. So, this is all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye!